Hi, and welcome to Premier Literacy's tutorial on Scan and Read Pro. In this video, we're going to give you an introduction to the program, show you how to scan a document into Scan and Read Pro, and have it read to you. I'm going to get started by clicking on the Scan and Read icon on the toolbar, and that'll launch the program. Now we see when the interface comes up, we've got a number of tabs across the top, and a lot of buttons for each. To scan a document in, I want to go to the Scan tab, and I want to click on the Scan button here. Now I first want to click on Select Scanner, and I've had a couple of different scanners connected to my computer before, so they're all showing up in the list. So we want to make sure we have the correct scanner picked in the list here, and if there's multiple, try the first option. If that doesn't work, go back and try the second option. So I'm just going to pick Select for now. The next thing we see is we've got a number of different options here. Show Progress Indicator is just going to show us the progress of the scanner as it scans. The Show Scanner Interface option may be an option you want to enable if you can't get either scanner driver to work. If your scanner is not initializing, try putting a check in the box and it will actually use your scanner manufacturer's own drivers to do the scan. Auto Deskew will straighten out a document that may have been placed on the scanner in a crooked way. Enable Duplex will enable dual-sided scanning if your scanner supports that. Rotate 90 degrees will flip that just as it says, 90 degrees. Rotate 180 will flip it right around in case we scan the document upside down. The Insert option, we can append that to the current document or insert a cursor. It just controls where the new information that we're scanning in is going to be placed. If we had an already open document, append a document will place it at the end, or insert a cursor would place it wherever we have our cursor placed in the document. We can scan text only or text and graphics. Once we've made all the necessary changes to the settings, we can go ahead and click on the Scan button. My scanner starting up, and it's going through and scanning the document. And we see our picture of the document appearing on the right. We see the word Done appearing in the box here. You can click OK, and we can click on Close to get back to our document. So we see the picture here, and if I click at the start and go back to our Home tab, we can read this to us.
One would like to introduce you to Team Premier Literacy's commitment to literacy, breaking down barriers and learning how to soar. One founded Premier Literacy to develop technology that will help people to reach their full potential.
And just click on the Stop button to stop that. If I have other voices that are installed on my system, I can select a different one to do the reading. Go up to Voices on the main tab here.
This is Capstrol Callie. This is Capstrol Callie.
And to change the main voice for reading, we want to select the first one, and we can set it to Capstrol David.
This is Capstrol David.
Or any voice that we have in the list here. I'll click on OK to go back, and when I hit Read Now, you'll hear the different voice.
One would like to introduce you to Team Premier Literacy's commitment to literacy, breaking down barriers and learning how to soar.
So you'll notice that it did actually mistake the word I for a 1, but other than that, the conversion actually did very well. So when scanning documents in Scan and Read Pro, it's very important to remember that this uses optical character recognition technology. Because of this, it means your results are only going to be as good as the material you scan in. The best results are going to come from a printed document that has black text on plain white paper. The fewer images and formatting, the better. And a more standardized font like Times New Roman or Arial is going to work a lot better. Sometimes, despite the quality of the original material, you're still not going to get perfect results. You may end up with some spelling errors and things like that. And often a very simple way to correct a lot of this is just to go up to the spell check and run through a simple spell check on it. But wherever possible, you want to use a black font on white paper. That's a printed document, and the larger the font, usually the better. So that's been an introduction to Scan and Read Pro. We've shown you how to scan in a document and read it to you. Be sure to view the rest of the training videos in the series and visit our website, which is www.readingmadeeasy.com. Thanks for watching.